Hello there, welcome back. So in this model we are going to get organized with keyboard shortcuts. Well, you already know that keyboard shortcuts are very useful. They are going to save you huge amount of time. Okay, so there is just 10 keyboard shortcuts I decided to put in this module. You can see there's a space plus shift for fast scrolling, tab or shift tab for a jump from one input field to next. Well, we are going to take a look at each of these in this module. Okay, so let's visit our browser. You can see, so your very first is spacebar plus shift for fast scrolling. You can see if I visit Wikipedia and if I press spacebar in my keyboard, you can see this is scrolling fast. Okay, so this is go page by page, and if I press shift and then press spacebar, you can see go up. Okay, so this is for fast scrolling. The second is tab shift plus tab. You can see jump from one input field to next. You can see if I visit to my Chrome browser, you can see if I just active here, and you can see if I active here, you can just tab. You can see this is going to one field to another field. You can see, and if I press shift plus tab, it's going up. You can see. Okay, so this is very useful, and you can see there's a F5 or a page refresh. You can see if I just press F5 in my keyboard shortcuts, it is going to refresh. Saw that? Nice. Your fourth is find a word on the page. So if I just visit once again in my browser, you can see if I want to find any word like mark. Okay, mark fourth. So if I just press Control F, okay, and that is mark fourth is IV, and now you can see there's a three. You can see mark 4, mark 4, mark 4. Okay, so this is Control F, and now open a new tab. It's Control T. Okay, so if I visit my browser and if I press Control T, you can see it's opening now. Okay, and you can see there's a close active tab, that is Control W. So if I just you see, you can see this is now active tab. Okay, so if I press Control W, it's going to close. You can see. Okay, and now it's print current page. So what if you want to print if you want to print this page? Okay, so press Control P on a keyboard, and you can see now this is going to a print. You can just take a print. Okay, so cancel it, and next is show history. So you can just go here and press Control H, and you can see now it's history where I visited. Okay, so your ninth one is switch to different tab. So if take to my Chrome browser, you can see if I press Control tab, it's going to switch to different tab. Okay, and your 10th one and last one is Control 1 to 9 to switch to particular number of an open tab. You see, if there's a lot of open tab. Okay, and what if he wants to visit here directly? So there's a 1 2 3 4, so I press Control plus 4, and you can see now I am in fourth. What if in 2? It's Control 2, and now I'm second. Okay, so these are the very useful shortcuts to going to save you a huge amount of time. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you in the next module.